अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम लोग हर साल थैंक्स गिविंग में बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे टर्कीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं और हम इंटरफेथ के बेस पे यहाँ शरीक होते हैं।
We're out here with the American Caribbean Chamber of Commerce and all of the partners from the community to give back. This is our 5th annual Thanksgiving turkey distribution with also all the trimmings, food. This is such an exciting time for us to be out here serving those in need. There are literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people out here.
And we have all community leaders here to help one another. Our brothers and sisters in need, all nationalities are here today to give back, to give thanks, for all of us to be thankful for this year and to move forward for a great Fort Bend County. Thank you and God bless.
Every year we are honored and we collaborate with our community partners, our elected officials, as well as other organizations that are so willing to give back.
We are doing this event since last so many years. In the leadership of Ron Ryan, he is always a sponsor, and we are distributing. Basically, the goal is to help community and bringing all communities together.
Yes, today is an awesome day here in the Fort Bend, Harris County area. We're out here giving away turkeys with the American Caribbean Chamber.
I just want to represent for the Brothers of Phi Beta Sigma, the Zeta Xi Sigma chapter of the Fort Bend Sigmas. We're out here to do our work in the community. It's all about brotherhood, scholarship, and most importantly, service.
I'm glad we are here as a family. I am the Executive VP of American Caribbean Chamber of Commerce. The work is done, and we thank you for all that is being done in the community.
So we're here doing God's work, trying to give out some families some food and some turkeys, making sure everybody is well fed, well taken care of. This is what we do as an organization every single year. So we love it. This is one of my favorite events, so it's good to be here.
I love to be part of this community, and we are helping the people on this Thanksgiving Day. Beautiful weather, beautiful people. I'm blessed.
We have a very well organized group of volunteers helping to move the cars in and out to receive their Thanksgiving feast.
And I wish that all the communities join hands together to help needy and suffering communities around. I'm proud to be a part of American Caribbean Chamber.
This is an awesome organization and an awesome thing that they're doing out here in the communities, and we really thank them for all of their hard work.
I'm just happy to say that they showed up and showed out. And as always, we are thankful to our permanent partners. State Rep is one of our permanent partners, as well as the Sheriff. Congratulations on your re-elections for the both of you. And I also want to always recognize he's a man of not too many words, but our founder and CEO of the American Caribbean Chamber of Commerce, Mr. R.J. Baptiste. I want to recognize him and thank him for his leadership.
खाली एक लिमिटेड रेस्ट्रिक्टेड कम्युनिटी के बजाय हर कम्युनिटी में इन्वॉल्व हो। हम अमेरिका में रहते हैं, हमें हर कम्युनिटी के साथ मिलकर काम करना है। हमारा काम है लोगों की मदद करना। प्लीज़ खुदारा अपनी आंखें खोले, हमें वापस जाना है अल्लाह के लिए, और हम हर किस्म की मदद कर रहे हैं। आपको मेडिकल का मसला है, हेल्थ का मसला है, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस है, फ्री लीगल सर्विसेज है, कम्युनिटी के लिए शेल्टर है, एजुकेशन है, जॉब है, कितनी चीज़ों में काम करना है। आप मेरे साथ ज्वाइन हो माफानी फाउंडेशन में, और ये काम कि हम आपको ट्रेनिंग देंगे, लोगों की मदद करें और अपनी भी मदद करें। हज़ारों टर्की हैं, आज एक टर्की अबाउट $45 की है, और इंशाल्लाह अगले साल फिर मैं शामिल होगा। आप मेरे साथ हैं तो हम यहाँ हलाल टर्की भी बांटें। इस साल हमारे पास बहुत कम हलाल टर्की, इंशाल्लाह पिछले साल मैंने 1000 टर्कियाँ बांटी थी हलाल, और बहुत सारे मुस्लिम, आज भी बहुत सारे मुस्लिम आए। मैं उर्दू टीवी का बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने आज हमारे प्रोग्राम को कवर किया है, और एक बात से एक बहुत बड़ा इम्प्रेशन डाला है दूसरी कम्युनिटी पे कि हम भी किसी से पीछे नहीं हैं, हम उनके साथ हैं। मैं उर्दू टीवी को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और उनको शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। अच्छे काम में कोई मज़हब नहीं है, इंसानियत हमारा मज़हब। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह।